Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Y'all, today we are doing two cat lady boxes. Well, most of one and then another. So I got December and January here, and I wish my kids were in here, but they are not. Of course, the girls were somewhere asleep. Who knows? But I got this first box, and we were at my parents' house. We were doing Christmas. It was already after the new year, but my niece was there and she wanted to do something with me, and I don't let her be on the channel because I don't like having kids on the channel. And so she wanted to open it and see what what was in there. So we opened it. Now the Cat Lady box, if you do not know what it is, they send you 4 to 5 cat related products for us people. And then they have two different boxes. One has just those, and then the Crazy Cat Lady box also includes 2 toys for your kitties. So if you get the base box, which just has the items for us cat ladies, it's $34.99. If you get the Crazy Cat Lady box that also has the toys in it, you're paying $39.99 a month. So we're going to look in the box. Now the reason I said most is because since we have so many kitty toys around here, I wanted to share some with my grandkitties. So I sent the 2 toys with my son to go to my grandkitties. So we won't see them. I'll show you a picture of them, but we won't actually see them. This is what the box looks like on the inside. I love that this box does give back. They donate to charities, rescues, things like that. And they also feature an artist each month. Look at the cuteness of that kitty cat. Look at those eyes. Oh my goodness. So the artist for this month is Eva Farb. It says Elena Burnbottom. I'm sorry. I will put her name below. Known as Eva Farb, is a children's illustrator of many cute pictures, a member of the Creative Union of Artists, a psychologist, and a coach. You can see more of her work on Instagram at Eve_Farb. I'll put that up here. I'll put it below so you can go and look at more of her work if you want to. Now they have a list of the rescues that they donated to last month, so I'm going to read those to you. Wayward Whiskers Animal Rescue, Saving Grace Animal Rescue of Maryland, Ark Cat Sanctuary, Animal Lifeline of Iowa, Cats Exclusive, and Good Karma Pet Rescues of South Florida. So they'll have a whole new set of rescues that they donate to from the proceeds from this month. But I love that they do that. I love that they tell you where it's going, and I love that they feature the artist. So this one is called the Perrfect Morning, and there is a picture of everything in there. See, here were the 2 cat toys. One was a little lion. It was so cute. And this was a little beanie catnip toy, like a little pom-pom beanie hat. I couldn't remember what it was. It says, Paw Pom Beanie Catnip Toy. Chilly weather calls for cozy and catnippy knit hats, handmade, valued at $5.99. And the lion was called Dandelion Catnip Toy. Your kitties can roar into the mew year with this adorable catnip king, which he was so cute, $4.99. So now let's look and see what's in this box. They normally send you a piece of clothing. This time we got a sweater. It says, Wake up and be possum. How cute is that with the little whiskers? This thing is fluffy. It's thick. It's big. It is an extra large, but it looks like it's going to be a little big on me, but that's okay. I don't mind that for a sweater. It's very cute, very soft. What does it say on the inside? It is 65 polyester, 35 cotton, machine wash, warm inside out with light colors, tumble dry low. It says, Be Possum Sweatshirt. Pull on this cozy sweatshirt and get ready to pounce on the day. Valued $25.99. Next, we have a coffee cup. We love the coffee cups. Oh my goodness. Woo. microwave and dishwasher safe. It says rise and shine, and if you look at it real close, the sunshine is a kitty cat. It says Perrfect Morning mug. Look at that. You see the kitty cat now? Very sweet. It's yellow on the inside. It is a cute little mug. Normally I like a bigger mug because I like a lot of coffee in the mornings, but this is adorable. So it'd be good for like when I do tea, because I normally do a smaller cup of tea than I do coffee. I know my members' friends are probably thinking coffee or tea in a mug. Rise and shine, get up, grab some coffee, and give those kitties breakfast already. Valued at $18.99. Very cute. All right, so the last thing in here, I opened these up because my niece wanted to see them. These are, they're little notebooks. It's a set of 3 notebooks. It says cat notebooks. If you want to start journaling this year or get more to-do lists done, these are perfect. A value of $11.99. 3 perfect notebooks. That's just a card that shows them to you. But look at this. Look how cute this is. It's like kitty yoga. And look at this one. Meow. Kind of looks like Callie in a way, but not really. And this one says, cats rule the world. A happy arrangement. Many people prefer cats to other people, and many cats prefer people to other cats. Meow. I love my crazy friends. Time spent with cats is never wasted. Hello, best friends forever. Purr, purr. Just all kinds of stuff written on there. Super duper cute. I thought this was a cute box. What did y'all think? Now we're going to open the next one. So y'all get to see 2 boxes in one day. I wish the kitties were in here, though. I still wish the kitties were in here to enjoy. Especially when I get to the catnip toys. This one I haven't looked at. I actually didn't even know this one came. And my husband was like, you know, you got a Cat Lady box in there. And I was like, yeah, no, I haven't I haven't put it on camera yet. And he's like, no, another one. I was like, oh, no, I didn't know that. I'm a little slow sometimes. So that's what the inside looks like. Look at this picture. Oh, this is darling. But it does look like the cat's floating in there. He's sitting on the clouds. Very cute. So the artist for, this one is called Must Love Cats. The artist for this month is Krista Woodcock May. Fields of Flowers, original prints, and on the post she sat, that sweet little cat in the field of flowers, sitting for hours and hours. You can see more of Krista's work here at KristaMaysArt.com. I'll put that down below in case you want to go and look. Now, the rescues that they donated to last month, actually I said that last time, but it was the month, you know what I mean. They show you the month before. So they donated to Seattle Area Feline Rescue, the Little Black Cat Collective, Marlin Safe Haven Cat Rescue, June Senior Cat Rescue, and Furdale Cats Shelter. How cute are the names? So, and then there's a picture of what we got in here. We're going to open it up and see what's inside the box. Oh my goodness. Did y'all get a sneak peek? I was peeking myself. Alright, let's look at the shirt. Cute color. And it says Must Love Cats. And it's got all the kitties on there. I think that's adorable. I do get an extra large. These shirts are a little big for their size. I think they run a little on the large size, which works for me for, you know, I like to wear a loose t-shirt a lot, you know, when I'm hanging around the house or when I'm grooming, things like that. So this works perfect for me. This is the Must Love Cats shirt because cat people are the best people. Value $22.99. Super cute. Next, I don't know what it is, but it's adorable. So this is the Kitty keychain card wallet. It's a wallet? It is a wallet. Okay, so just put your, couple cards, your ID with your keys and your styling. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. Too cute. Carry cash and cards in the cute and convenient keychain valued at $9.99. It does have a clip to clip on to your keys. That's adorable. It wouldn't hold much, but that is super duper cute. Little kitty on your keychain. If I can get it snapped. Very cute. Okay, what's this? Watercolor Cat's Zip Pouch. Look at how cute this is, y'all. It's got the cat lady symbol on there. It's a cute little zippy pouch. Makeup, anything you need, put in here. Put it in your purse, carry it with you, leave it in your bathroom, whatever you want to do. Just adorable. It says Watercolor Cat's Zip Pouch. Zip up all the things you love in this cute pouch covered in cats, valued at $12.99. This is really cute. And it's a big. I like that it's a bigger pouch. Because sometimes I get these small pouches, I can't put my brushes in them because there's just not enough room. This one, I think I could put my brushes in here. I like that. Especially since I'm fixing to have to go out of town again. Okay, what is this? It's a doormat. It is a doormat. This is, I hope you like cats. This is so going at my front door because I have so many clients coming in with dogs. And I always tell them, how does your dog do around cats? Because, yeah, there's cats in my house. Perfect. Perfect. It's got the grippy back. It's not too thick, which I like that because sometimes my door catches on my rugs. This is the I Hope You Like Cats doormat. Add a touch of cat-loving personality to your front door. A value of $15.99. That is adorable. I don't know that I love the color of it, but interesting. It's cute. It is really cute. All right, the last two things are the catnip toys. I was really hoping the kids would come wandering in. So this is a cozy slipper. You think the cats will wear it? Cozy slipper catnip toy. Cozy catnippy slipper for your sweet cats to snuggle. Of course, these toys are handmade. It is a value of $5.99. That's adorable. And look at the little mouse. Oh, this is the cutest. Wacky wonky mouse. Your cats will go crazy over this silly catnip stuffed mouse valued at $4.99. Oh, I think I want to order some more of these. This one's adorable. It's soft too. Oh, can't wait for the kids to see. Y'all, what did you think of these two Cat Lady boxes? I don't have any codes. I don't have any referral or affiliate links. I want to be affiliated with this company. I really do, but I think they're still kind of small. So I understand not because I'm still a baby. I'm still a baby YouTube channel. That's okay. But yeah, y'all comment below. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite item? What would you like to see in the boxes? Anything you want to say below? I'd love to read it. Y'all, I'd really appreciate it if you also give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my YouTube channel is free and I really do appreciate it. All you gotta do is push that little subscribe button down below. Don't forget to press the notification bell once you've subscribed so that you can stay up to date on when I post videos. If you want to donate to the channel, because we're gonna revamp this room eventually. You know I'm slow going, especially with everything going on. But if you want to do that, there's two ways to do that. There's a super thanks button down below where you can donate through YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com, go to Unboxed by G, and you can buy me a coffee. If you do either of those, thank you so very much. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.